Hey, babies. It's me, Nana. Or Pete the Cat. Try to see if I had some on my head. Whoops. Today we're going to be reading Pete the Cat and the Lost Tooth by James Dean. This is about the Tooth Fairy getting some help from Pete the Cat. It's not easy being a Tooth Fairy when a tooth goes missing. Pete's going to help find it. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Well, maybe. Inside here, my hair is in my face. Hang on. Okay. Pete the Cat and the Lost Tooth. Pete the Cat and the Lost Tooth. Okay. Okay. And Bubba's with us too. Okay. Pete lost a tooth. Pete lost a tooth. Put it under your pillow. His mom says, the Tooth Fairy will come. Pete puts the tooth under his pillow. He closes his eyes. He hears a jingle. It is the Tooth Fairy. Tooth Fairy. I am very busy tonight, she says. I can help, says Pete. Great. She gives Pete magic wings. He can fly. Okay. Visit these cool kids, says the Tooth Fairy. She gives him a list. Callie, Alligator, and Gus. Just take the tooth and leave a coin, she says. Pete is ready to go. Callie is first on the list. Ooh. There is Callie's lost tooth. Pete takes the tooth and he leaves the coin for Callie. Alligator is next on the list. Look, Alligator's lost tooth. Careful, it's very sharp. Pete takes the tooth. He leaves a coin for Alligator. Gus the platypus is next on the list. Uh-oh. 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 Now what? Uh-oh. There's uh-oh. Okay. Where's the tooth? Rock and roll forever, Gus. The tooth is not here. He can't find the tooth. Oh, no. The tooth is not here. The tooth is not anywhere. Where is Gus's lost tooth? The lost tooth is lost. Does Pete panic? Nope, he knows what to do. Pete is awesome. Look, Gus is awake. Where's your tooth, Gus? Pete asks. Platypuses do not have teeth, says Gus. That's what I was thinking. But I still want to be a part of the Tooth Fairy. Fun. No worries, said Pete. Pete puts a coin under Gus's pillow. Thank you, Gus says. You're welcome, says Pete. Good night, Gus. Great work, Pete, says the Tooth Fairy. No problem, says Pete. Not everyone is the same, but being kind is always cool. And that is the end. Well, everybody, if you lose your teeth, put it under the pillow and the Tooth Fairy will come bring you a prize. Be cool, stay safe, and don't lose your teeth. I love you, Nana. See you next time.